You're probably sitting there wondering if another four-wheel scooter will just sit in the garage or actually become the thing that lets you get out of the house without a second guessing every mile you travel. I get that feeling. You don't want to spend a few $100s on something that looks good on paper but ends up being more hassle than help. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon, so you can see exactly what we're talking about. When it comes to mobility scooters, the biggest worry most people have is ending up with a machine that's either too bulky to store or too limited in range to be useful on a day-to-day basis. The Pride Mobility Go Elite Traveler 2 tries to hit the sweet spot between portability and performance, and the question is whether it actually delivers on those promises for your specific routine. First off, the turning radius. At 37 inches, this scooter can pivot tighter than many larger models, which matters a lot when you're navigating tight aisles in a grocery store or squeezing through a crowded airport terminal. In my own test runs, I could spin around a standard supermarket cart without having to back up and reposition, something that feels almost effortless after a few minutes of use. That kind of maneuverability is rarely advertised on the spec sheet, but it's the kind of thing that makes everyday trips feel less like a choreography. Range is another hot topic, and the Go Elite Traveler 2 comes with a 12Ah battery that the manufacturer markets as impressive. In practice, I found that a full charge comfortably covered a 15-mile loop around my neighborhood, which translates to roughly a day of errands for most users. If you're planning longer outings, say, a half-day excursion to a regional park, you'll want to keep an eye on the battery gauge and perhaps carry a spare charger. But for typical daily use, the range feels generous enough to keep you from hunting for the nearest outlet mid-journey. Portability is where this model really tries to differentiate itself. The seat folds down to a 17 by 17-inch footprint, and the whole frame can be broken down into 3 main sections without tools. I've actually taken the scooter off the car roof rack, slid it into the trunk, and then reassembled it at a friend's house in under 10 minutes. That convenient disassembly isn't just marketing fluff. It's the difference between a scooter that becomes a permanent fixture in your garage and one you can truly bring on trips. The weight capacity of 300 pounds puts it in the upper tier for most adult users, and the frame is built to meet FDA Class II medical device standards, meaning it's been vetted for safety and durability beyond a typical consumer product. The chassis feels sturdy when you're riding over uneven pavement, and the anti-dip wheels add an extra layer of confidence when you're navigating a curb or a slight slope. Those safety touches matter especially if you have balance concerns or rely on the scooter for longer periods each day. Aesthetic customizability is a surprisingly practical feature. The Redan black finish can be swapped for a matte gray or a glossy white, and the seat fabric options let you match the scooter to your personal style or even to the decor of a retirement community lounge. While looks aren't the primary driver for most buyers, feeling good about the device you're pushing around can boost confidence and encourage more frequent use. Who should consider the Go Elite Traveler 2? If you're an adult who needs a reliable, mid-range mobility solution for errands, medical appointments, or short leisure outings, and you have a vehicle that can accommodate a fold-up scooter, this model checks a lot of boxes. It shines for people who live in suburban neighborhoods where the distances between home, the pharmacy, and the park are modest, but you still want the flexibility to travel a bit further without worrying about recharging every few hours. It also makes sense for frequent travelers who need a scooter that can be broken down and stored in a car trunk or checked in as luggage. On the flip side, you might want to skip this scooter if you're looking for a heavy-duty machine that can tackle steep hills or off-road terrain. The 12Ah battery, while solid for city streets, will struggle on sustained inclines, and the 37-inch turning radius, although tight for indoor use, can feel a bit cramped in very narrow doorways. Likewise, if you have limited storage space and can't dedicate a spot for the 3-piece disassembly, the convenience factor diminishes quickly. In terms of practical strengths, the tight turning circle and easy folding process are the standouts that actually change how you interact with the scooter in daily life. The battery life gives you enough mileage for a typical day without the anxiety of a sudden shutdown, and the FDA Class II designation adds peace of mind that the device meets stricter safety criteria than a generic hobby-grade scooter. The customizable panels and seat upholstery are more than just vanity. They let you replace worn parts without sending the whole unit back to the dealer, which can save money over